Hi, this is Peter at iWatch Security in Raleigh, North Carolina, going over a quick tutorial on how to change out the battery in this particular Interlogix remote control key fob. You can keep the ring on, keep it on your keys. There is actually a spot for a small flathead screwdriver that you can rotate and separate that cover. You can use your tool, little flathead screwdriver, to open up, take the chip out, and slide the battery out. In this case, it's a CR2032 3-volt battery. Sliding it back in with the positive side facing up. You can then put that back in with the buttons, making sure the buttons do line up, and clipping and locking that back into place like that. This is Peter at iWatch Security in Raleigh, North Carolina. Thanks for watching.